Hi, it's Habiba from Craftify, my love. Welcome to today's video, which is actually the intro of my little crocheting course that will teach you how to crochet a basket. I've put this course together because my friend Gloria, who lives in London, the UK, asked me if she will be able to crochet baskets for her flowers. And as I think everyone can crochet and DIY with the right tutorials, I've sat down and crocheted this little fella and recorded it. So I will be teaching you and my friend Gloria how to do a basket like that. Of course, you might want to alter the size. So I added information here and there in my videos so you know exactly what to do according to the supplies you're using and the size you want to achieve, or if you want handles with your basket or not. So far I have put together 10 videos, but there will be more. You will learn about the different types of yarns there are, about the tools, about the different stitches that will be required during that little, I'm always looking down there, but you can see it, that will be required to crochet this little basket and the heart as well. That's optional, of course. What else? There will be a video about how to crochet a circle, about to start and finish a crocheting project, and much more. Of course, if you know some of the things I am teaching in the next videos, you simply skip the video and go to the next one. I'll be linking to everything crocheting related I know in the info section below. This is supplies, of course, but also easy tutorials I've made. And I want to show you and handy cheat sheets I am working on right now. Also, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I know in the beginning it can be a little bit tricky, but you'll notice very quickly that crocheting is fun and actually pretty easy. Because there is no crocheting police who will check your number of stitches and stuff like that. You are the designer and you make it work. You want to see some of the things you'll be able to do after the series? I'll show them to you. This loop and beanie combo, for example. And here is another hat you'll be able to do, and a loop, and even wrist warmers. And even this one. And these fun phone cases, because I always crash my displays, so I need to protect them. And if I feel fancy, I use the big one with gold sparkles. These are just a tiny glimpse of all the projects you'll be able to do after you learned how to crochet. So I encourage you to keep watching. I guess what's left to say? Happy crocheting! See you in the next video. Bye bye! Mwah!